Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit bulk listings on your Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started with logging in our account in the upper right corner if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, now we can get started with accessing the shop manager right here. So once you open up your shop manager, it's going to enable you to go ahead and set up your shop if you do not already have one. If you already have one set up, you're going to go ahead and be able to access all your settings from here directly from the shop manager. And now we can get started with following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to create or edit multiple listings at once. So as you can see, we are going to go and log into Etsy and open up the shop manager just like I showed you right here, and then we're going to go and open up the listings section. This is going to enable us to edit multiple listings at once. You're going to check the box next to each listing you would like to edit. So check the box at the top of the page to select all listings if you want to edit them all at once, and then click editing options, the button that is going to appear next to those listings. So then you can choose an action from the list and make sure your desired changes, and then select the apply button so you can go ahead and edit them, what you want to edit them, the title, price, whatever. After that, click apply, and that's how to edit bulk listings in your Etsy shop. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.